I just have like my hamper where I put all my dirty laundry and stuff. And then over here is where I hang up all of my jackets and my sweatshirts, and it's really a lot right now, but I like to hang them there because I can just grab and go. And then over here I have all my hats. I like to hang them up just so I know where they are and they're not missing because I lose things like that. And there's just my closet, and I'm not going to go in there right now because it's really just a mess and it's just my clothes. So moving along, right next to the closet is my bed, and this is a queen size bed, and I literally just moved my room around, so this bed was literally right where my desk is, but I really like it in the middle now. So, and there's Little Bear. Hi, say hi. Ugh, he doesn't like to be pet sometimes. I know. Across from my bed is just my dresser, and I don't even remember where this dresser is from. I think like Raymore and Flanagan or something, but it's so nice. Like, it has such nice detail on it. The handles are like sparkle, and there's like mirrors at the bottom, and I just love this, and it's really spacious. I'm not even gonna open them because, I mean, I can, but my drawers are so packed, like, it's ridiculous. But they're really spacious and deep, and I really like them. So on my dresser, I just have my laptop is just charging right now, and this lamp. My room is literally black and white. I love black and white. They're like, it's like my scheme color. And on the wall, I have just like a stick-on Prada sign. And then these two pictures are hanging on my wall. These are from Home Goods, I think. And so is this piece right here. This is just where I like punch in all of my earrings and stuff. And it's so nice because I have a little, what is it? Like a jewelry dish, but I feel like I have so many earrings that it just wouldn't look good and I won't be able to find things. So yeah, next to it, there's just a little jewelry dish, and that's also from Home Goods. And I just have like little pieces of jewelry on there and some random change and like flash drives. Then moving along, I just keep these little cups and like mugs on my desk. This is just a little, I think this is from Home Goods too. It's just a little copper mug, but I like to keep my extra change in there. And then this one's from Paris. I stopped in a Paris airport before I was going to Italy, and I just grabbed a cup. And this cup right here, it says, "Do it with fashion or not at all." And that just has all like my little hair ties and stuff. And then right here is where I like to display my stuff that like my boyfriend got me, and like just the nicer things. So my Gucci bag is right there. I like to display it. I don't like it hiding. I like to have my Gucci box there just for decoration, and there's just pictures of us and just things that we've done. And then my Chanel box, which was nothing in it, I just got the box. And then lastly is my book. This is my book that I like to write like what kind of YouTube videos I want to do for like the week, so that helps a lot. Right above my dresser is my TV, and I like it better now because my bed's right there, and now I can just angle the TV right near my bed. So here, or next to the TV, there's my chandelier, and it's really nice. It's like kind of like a flowery kind of chandelier, and I think that was from Pottery Barn. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So then above my little drawers here, this is where I keep all my makeup. I have a little picture sign thing. It says my makeup is my art, and I love that. On top of my drawers, I just have this M, which is supposed to light up, but okay, there it goes. It doesn't work sometimes. But I have that, and then I have some lotions in that, and I have another candle right here. I can't even open it, whatever. But it's pumpkin clementine, and it smells so good. I also like to keep my sunglasses on here so I don't lose them. And these are the Key X Desi glasses. And then these are two, I think. Yeah, the blue. And then these are just Key sunglasses. I don't know. They're just ones that I found. And then I have all my perfumes right here. And in these drawers, I have them labeled because I like to keep my makeup organized and I like to know where everything is. Drawer, I have all my brushes, and then there's more on my desk. These are just the extras. Then in this drawer, I like to keep all my eyelashes and then loose pigments. Just like these little ones that I don't really use a lot. I just keep them in here. And then in the lips, I like to keep all my lip products in here. I don't even use any of this. Like, it's just extra stuff that I have. These are highlights, I think. I have some powders in here and some eyebrow stuff. It's like random. And then my blushes and bronzer are all in here. My eyeshadow palettes, there's a lot. I have a lot of eyeshadow palettes in here. My foundations and concealers, this is like nothing. I have to probably throw that stuff out. I have skincare down here. And then all my hair tools are down there. So moving on, next to that is my window. And below my window, I like to keep all of my shoes, and I do have a shoe haul, so make sure to check that out. I will link it below. And then here's my mirror, and here's me. Ew, I look disgusting. Anyway, next to it, I just have my ring light that I like to use when I do videos sometimes. And then here is my desk. So this desk is from IKEA. The drawers and the table are separate, so I got the 2 drawers. And then the table's just on top. So yeah, so on here I just have all my brushes that I use like on the daily. And then my little succulent, which I haven't killed yet, so yay. I have a little candle, it's cinnamon spice vanilla, and it smells so good. And then just my little mirror that I use to get ready with. And my chair, honestly, I think this is from Pottery Barn, but I'm not even sure. Maybe Home Goods. But that's mostly where I get all my stuff from. Second drawer is mostly where I keep my makeup that I wear every day. So it's like right next to me when I get ready. And down here is where I have like some more skincare that I use every day. And just some things that I haven't opened yet, and some more makeup.